In this video we're going to take a look at some of the enhancements that have been made to the options we have for watermarking document and drawing previews. So in earlier releases of DDM, the watermark that was applied to a document and a drawing were the same, and the watermark was also the same regardless of the size of the document or drawing. So in this case, this is a document we have in the database that is work in progress, and the watermark on this document is the same watermark that will appear on any drawing that we have in DDM. And here we have two drawings, one of which is A3 and one of which is A2. And if we have a look at the previews for these two drawings, then you'll see that the watermark on the A2 drawing is substantially smaller than the watermark that is appearing on the A3 drawing. And it may be that we want to increase the size of the watermark on the larger drawing sizes. So let's take a look at how we can do that. So if we go into DDM admin, and if we go to System and Watermarks, then this is the page where we can configure our watermarks. The first thing we want to do is take a look at the work in progress watermark, because we want to create a separate watermark for work in progress documents. So what we're going to do is to edit the existing work in progress watermark, and we're going to remove the option for documents. So we'll confirm that, and then we're going to create a new watermark. So we're going to select an image, and here's a PNG file with draft written on it. And this is going to be applied at a state of work in progress. We also have the option here to define which file types this will be applied to. So we could have a different watermark for Word documents to the watermark we apply to Excel documents. The position is going to be, in this case, by default from the bottom left of the document, and it's now configured in millimeters. If we use negative numbers, it will be applied from the top right of the document. In this case, I'm going to select 25 millimeters from the right hand margin and 100 millimeters from the bottom of the paper. And the document size we're going to select from a drop-down list, and we're going to apply this to all. Now, if we don't have predefined document sizes, then we can specify the paper size in millimeters using these fields down here. So for custom paper sizes, we can capture that using these fields. And we're going to add a comment, watermark for all work in progress documents. We need to uncheck drawings, and we still have the option here to prevent edit of the PDF once it's been exported out of DDM, and to set a password to prevent editing of the document. Okay, so we can confirm that, and we've now got our new watermark listed. We also have the option here to export existing watermarks. So if we take this one, for example, we can export that watermark out of DDM. So we're just going to jump back into DDM to take a look at how this is changed for this document. So let's preview this. And now we can see that we have a different watermark on our documents. Next thing to take a look at is different sizes of drawings. And in this case, we're going to just look at the released watermark. So let's edit the existing one. This watermark is correct for A3 drawings. So we're going to select A3 from here. And we may also uncheck documents at the same time. And then we're going to create a new watermark for A2 drawings. So this is a new watermark that I've created that has been scaled up. Again, this is for released. The position, I'm going to use the same position as the existing watermark that was positioned using the legacy units. So I'm going to select this so it's no longer millimeters, just so that I can match it to the existing watermark. And this is going to be 35 and 40 from the bottom left of the drawing. Document size in this case is A2. and this is for A2 release drawings. And again, we can uncheck for documents. So let's confirm that. So we've now got 2 released watermarks for drawings. So if we go back to DDM, we'll take these 2 drawings, and if we preview them, then we should see that the watermark has now been scaled up on the A2 drawing so that it's bigger than it was previously, and so it now looks in proportion to the watermark on the A3 drawing. So this concludes this video showing some of the enhancements that have been made to watermarking options in the latest release of DDM.